Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today with another ceiling fan video. And today you are looking at a 1997 Harbor Breeze Summit. I just picked this up today off of Facebook Marketplace for 25 bucks. This fan is in immaculate condition. It has everything original, all the screws, everything like that. It has one burnt out bulb up here, you'll notice when I turn it on. It even came with light bulbs. It had these 13 watt Sylvania CFLs in it. Pretty small, actually. I changed them out for these, I believe these are 40 watt incandescents. Same thing this one has, basically. Just like that, so this one here is in mint condition. It was removed during the remodel. This is the nicest one I've ever seen in real life. That's the reason why I got it. Can you guys find there it is. Nope, that isn't it. It's over here. Hold on. Here's your tag. There's the top side of the motor, but I've not yet got a fuller shot picture of this. Anyway, blades are reversible from bleached oak to white. Damn it, I need you to stop. There we go. Anyway, let's get into this. So, there we go. Here's the light. So, here's the bottom light. With both on, which I'll run it like that for the video. Here's low. Here's low. It's really good. It's a really good fan. Yeah, I just got to get a fourth bulb, that uplight, so, which I thought I had one, but I can't find it anywhere, so yeah. Here's medium. I've always had a pretty decent soft spot for these fans, so I've always liked them, the way they look and everything, so anyway, we'll go up to high speed now. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that light on. Give you guys an up close of this. This thing runs really well. Pretty good. So, moves really good air. According to the backstory, apparently this fan was in the house when it was purchased in 2007. And then they just started a full interior remodel a couple weeks ago, and the fan was removed 3 days ago. So, and apparently the guy was offered 150 bucks for this fan, and I got it for 25. So, See here, it runs really well. I will turn it down to low, or I will turn it off down to somewhat spin down. So, give me just a second here. And that is it. Alright, G's Vintage Fan Shed out.